Hey guys, this is Jayant and welcome to Programming Simplified. I'm again back with another new video, and trust me guys, again you are going to learn something new from this video, and I hope you will be enjoy this video till the end. Okay, so let's start with the fresh mind. Okay, this is the question that we are going to do in this video. Okay, so let's read out the question first. Okay, so what is the question? Print hello world without using main function. Okay, without main function, without main function, without main function. Okay guys, we are getting right now like print hello world. Okay, we are getting, but we are not getting like without main function, because it is not possible to run a program without using main function. Okay, so what should I do? Okay, first let's talk about the main function, like what is main function here. Okay, so like, okay, just write main function. Okay guys, we all know that what is main function. Main function is like entry point of program execution. Okay, okay, program execution, anything. Okay, so coming into the solution of our question, I just want to share a very important knowledge with you guys. So listen carefully guys, listen carefully. Okay, okay, suppose you wrote a simple hello world program. For example, you wrote a simple hello world program like print f, then hello world. Okay, you wrote a simple hello world program. Okay, when you, okay, so what will happen? Okay, here I'm going to tell you the working of main function, how main function basically work. Okay, so okay, okay, so you wrote a simple hello world program. Okay, in the main function. Okay, so when you compile and run this program, what will happen guys? Okay, so what will happen? Your system guys, your system or compiler first will first calls the main function, calls the, okay guys, what will happen here? When you compile and run this program, your system or compiler will first call the start function. Then this start this start will calls the main function. Okay guys, what is happening here? Okay, okay, let's talk about the scenario of main function, like basically how main function work. Okay, so guys, this is the thing. Okay, like first, when you compile and run the program, first your system or your compiler will first call the start function. Guys, first call the start function, then this start function will call the main function. Okay, so guys, this is the working principle of main function, like how main work, basically how compiler work, basically how compiler call the main function or start function. Okay, and guys, what is the start function here? Like what is start function? Guys, start is like a inbuilt function, like a inbuilt function which call which call which call the main function basically. And like we can say that like start is same like main function, but start is also a entry point. Start is also a entry point of program execution, of program execution. Okay, it is like same, it is same like main function, but guys, main is defined in C programming, but start is already defined in your system. Okay, so definitely this start will call the main function. Okay, so I think we got it. Okay, so can we write start instead of main function, because start is also calling main function. So what we want, or can we write like this? Definitely we can write this. Okay, so let's write. Okay, let's rebuild this, rebuild the upper program. Okay, let's rebuild. Okay, so we pass start function, and then like we have printers, we have and guys done. Okay, so guys, let's, okay, so what is happening here? Okay guys, always remember this point, like this is underscore. Okay, okay, this is underscore and this is the syntax right now, then underscore, then start function. It is like same like main function, guys, always remember the same, like, okay. So guys, we have done our first method, like, okay, so we have, like, what is the question? Let's see to the question. Print hello world without using main function. Okay guys, we are printing hello world without using main function, like we have got it right now. Okay, so, okay, so another important thing about this start function is that, guys, let's talk about another thing. Another point is that, okay, always remember this point, guys. This start function, this start function is always always for Linux user, always for Linux operating system. Okay, this start function is always for Linux operating system, always remember this point. Okay, and okay guys, always remember the second point, always remember this, like, this function, start function, always use start function, always use GCC compiler. Always remember this point, GCC compiler. Okay, GCC is a compiler which Linux use, guys, will use GCC compiler. Okay, so let's, okay, I think you have got this what I want to say in this video, guys. Okay, so guys, always remember this point, like, start function is always for Linux user and start always use GCC compiler. Okay, we have successfully completed right now, like, hello world without using main function. I think, guys, we have done it. Okay, so guys, we are not, okay, in this video we are not going to cover this start function, this first method. Okay, because we are not a Linux user, because I'm a Mac user, so I will definitely, I will not use, I will use a different method. Okay, I will use a second method. Okay, second method which I am going to tell you, guys. Okay, so, okay, so let's move into the second method. What will be the second method? Okay, so let's move into the second method. Okay, so guys, second method is going to be, instead of main function. Okay guys, instead of main function, I just want to write my name. Okay, like what I want to say, like, okay, so, like, instead of main function, I want to write like this, int Jayant. I want to write my name. So instead of main function, I just want to write my name. Okay, I think you got the scenario of this question, like how this question work. So guys, I think we have got all the things here, and let's jump into the code editor and do solution. Okay, okay guys, we come into the code editor and now try to print a simple hello world program. Okay, just stereo.h. And guys, we got it. Okay, and run this. And guys, we got it, hello world as a output. Okay, the question is that print hello world without using main function, but here we are using main function. Okay, so what should I do? Okay, so just remove the main function and write my name, guys. Okay, so write, and okay, now run this, and boom, guys, we are getting error. So, like, okay, just read out the error, what the error is going on. Okay, okay, so, okay guys, for in main function, in function start undefined reference to, okay guys, what is happening here? Here compiler calls the start function. Here compiler, this compiler, guys, this is a compiler, guys, this is the Linux. Okay, this is just a compiler. Okay, this compiler call the start function, this compiler call the start function, like, okay, this compiler is calling the start function, it's fine. Okay, but this start function is not able to find the main function. like it is saying like undefined reference. Like start is like guys, like start is saying I'm not able to find the main function. Okay, or like id return one is stated means without main function we cannot run this program. Guys, we are getting like without main function we cannot run any program. Okay, okay, just remove Jayant here and try main function here. Okay, okay, now guys okay, so now guys we got it like without main function we cannot get anything as an output. Okay, so what should I do? Like definitely guys, it is mandatory to put main function here. Okay, okay, so what should I do? But like we have a question like without using main function, without using main function. Okay, so what we want, instead of main function we want to write Jayant. Okay, we want to write Jayant. Okay, but guys it is not possible because without main function we cannot run any program. So guys, like here we are going to use trick. Okay, can we provide the main as a another, can we provide like different guys, main is a name. Okay, okay, and Jane is also a name. Okay, okay, so can we provide main also another name? Can we provide like main is also another name? Okay, can we provide like main, like main is a main, like main is a main, but main is also a giant. Okay, okay guys, we can say like this, main is a real name but giant is a nickname of main. Okay, can we provide like can we provide, yeah definitely can we provide like this. Okay, so guys I just want to give you a task that think about that concept in C programming can, that can provide the aliases, that can provide the nickname of any name. I think, okay, can you provide? Okay, so just think, just pause the video and think about that. Okay, I think that I think guys you got it, and those who didn't, then definitely I'm going to tell you. Okay, and guys, those concept preprocessor directory, guys, only preprocessor. Okay, guys, preprocessor directory. Okay, preprocessor directory. And in preprocessor directory, like it is like okay guys, preprocessor means like preprocessor. Like here like pre means pre is hash and include is like a processor. Okay, and studio I dot h is a directory. Okay, now we have got it right. Okay, so we have got it like, I think most of the user will got like what I want to do here. Okay, so guys, in preprocessor we have concept like hash define. Okay, which can do this type of things, like which can do this type, which can provide the aliases of a name. Okay, so what we'll do here, we can like write like this giant as a main. Okay, so what we have to do, instead of main we can write giant also, like giant is a alias of main, like alias, like giant is like a alias here and main is a macro. Okay, so like for this macro giant is a alias, for this macro giant is a alias. Okay, so just try to mm, just try to apply this concept here. Okay, write hash define and like write giant and as a main. Okay, and guys we got it, we got it. Okay, and now remove this main function and write giant, and guys we have got this. Okay, and try to run this, and 1 2 3 4 5, and guys we are getting error. Why this, why we are getting this error? Okay guys, why we are getting this error? Because we didn't provide here. Guys, right now we got it, and now run this, and guys 1 2 3, and boom guys, we have got this. Okay, right now hello world as our output. Okay, okay guys, we have successfully done our question. Okay, and I hope you will get something new from this video. And okay guys, if you have any query about this video, please comment down in the comment section, or any query about any programming language, you can just text me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is on the description. And okay guys, now we have got it. Okay, so guys, this is Jayant signing off. See you soon in the next video.